Hey there, welcome back to our digital download product selling e-commerce store design free course. In the previous class we have done so far, we have created header, then main banner section with video background, and today we are going to make a new section where we display our themes. Okay, to do this, first we are going to click on the edit with Elementor. Then we'll follow Shopify theme store a little bit, just take a look and get some idea from here. Okay, so scroll down, create a new section, and we'll add maximum 3 product or 3 theme in here. So we can select this one, this structure, then we can make this structure size. Okay, now it looks good. Add some padding in top and bottom. Okay, then we'll add a image, a title, so click on here, then search ready element, scroll down, we are going to find a search box, image box, icon box, image box, icon box. So let me check all. Then we can understand which one will be best for us. Box, yes. Okay, and remove this one, delete. This is the image box, this is the image, this is the icon box. Okay, so first we are going to download an image from here. For example, we are going to download this one. Save, copy the title, upload this image in here. Okay, then work on there in the body, title, and we can add some featured, main features like sticky header, mega menu, theme options, responsive, looks good. Then view details, now it looks good. So we can remove this one, remove this one, and we can use 2 images in here. Remove 1 column, make it 50%. Now it looks good. Okay, and we're going to work on there. So to work on there, we have to change the color. Okay, click on here, body, button, view details, no icon, button, background color. Okay, pairing 0, 10, perfect. Okay, then body title font size 24 and description font size 18. Looks good. Also change the body pairing. Perfect. Top 20 pixel, we can increase it. Okay, now it looks better than previous. And also we are going to change the color of title on hover, title hover color. Yes, perfect. Looks good. And now we can copy it and paste it in here, and then we have to just change the theme image. Change theme image. Select looks good, but we have to resize the image because you can see that this image height is too much. So what we have to do, it's so easy and simple. Just open your Photoshop, then open this image and open this one. Okay, now perfect. Okay, now we can use this image. Now we can get the same size. Okay, and change the image. Select from desktop, and now the size will be same and our layout will be professional looks. Now both are the same size. Looks so good. And we can add more image in here. Just make a duplicate. Okay, and we can use different image in here. Also we can add another things on here on the above of this section. Create a new structure, select structure, then use this text in here, and it will make our store more professional. delete, use title in here, center, color, go to the heading, then copy everything, color, font size, everything from here. First we are going to change the color, copy color and change the color of the section, then font family Signica, font family Signica, and at padding in top and bottom font weight normal, font size 25, okay, and line height 34, okay, and we can remove the padding from the bottom, and we can add a headline in the top. So just make a duplicate and add a headline text in here. So we can add a headline, for example, start your online business with our ready-made store, and change the font size, remove the padding of this section. Now looks good. We can change this font family okay. Now I think it's perfect and professional, looks so good, and we can save it, update, and finally going to reload. Looks good. Then we'll add more section, but before that we are going to do another things in the header. I think we should work on our header. Font size Signica, font size is 24, default, and make something different. Save. With our ready made store purchase and get free 3-month marketing service. Now it looks good. We can make it a little bit different. For example, change the font size and font weight normal. Now looks good. Also change the background red. We can use different background. Second color Okay, then background type, perfect. Okay, click on the update. Now it looks better than previous. Just going to reload, then you can understand better. Looks here, everything looks so good. Scroll down. Wow. So I hope you understand everything, how we have make this section and how we have added everything without any coding. So thank you for your time to stay connected in the full class, and I hope you understand everything very easily and you can do it by yourself. If you think this class is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye bye.